Is it worth investing in Shell shares? When is the best time to do it? Its advantages and disadvantages, dividends, and much more in this video. Be sure to watch to the end. There will be a nice bonus. Your subscription motivates me a lot to keep creating quality content. Thank you very much for that. Shell plc is a British multinational oil and gas company engaged in the exploration, production, refining, marketing, and distribution of oil, gas, and other petrochemical products. The company has divided its operations into three main business units: upstream, downstream, and integrated gas. Shell is one of the world's largest producers of natural gas and has significant oil production operations in countries such as the US, Canada, Brazil, Nigeria, and Malaysia. Shell's downstream operations include the refining, marketing, and distribution of petroleum products such as fuel, lubricants, and petrochemicals. Shell owns and operates a variety of refineries and distribution networks around the world, including its well-known Shell Service Station brand. Shell is one of the largest producers and marketers of LNG in the world. Shell has launched a number of initiatives in recent years to expand its business into renewable energy and prepare for the transition to a low-carbon economy. Shell has announced that it will run its refineries and chemical plants entirely on renewable energy by 2030. The company also has an ambitious goal of achieving a net zero emissions balance by 2050. Do you think they can do it or not? To achieve this, Shell is investing in the development of renewable energy sources such as wind and solar. The company is also heavily involved in research and development to improve the efficiency of its processes and the sustainability of its products. Shell also participates in initiatives to work with other companies, governments, and organizations to promote sustainability and climate protection. Overall, Shell is a leader in the oil and gas industry with broad business lines and a strong commitment to sustainability and the transition to renewable energy. Before we get to the fun part, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Shell stock is one of the best known and most traded stocks in the world. Shell stock is traded on various exchanges around the world, including the Tokyo Stock Exchange. The stock is traded under various ticker symbols, including RDSA, RDSB, and RDSA. Shell plc stock has a long history and has experienced both significant ups and downs in the past. However, in recent years, the stock has fallen due to a variety of factors such as global economic uncertainty, weak demand for crude oil and natural gas, and the growing importance of renewable energy. However, the company has taken several steps to strengthen its position in the industry, including a shift to renewable energy and an increased focus on digital technologies. These measures have helped boost investor confidence in the company and stabilize the stock. By the way, shares of this and other companies can be purchased profitably at the link in the description. Shell pays a dividend 4 times a year, in March, June, September, and December. The dividend is based on adjusted earnings and amounts to approximately 19% for shareholders. As of March 2023, Shell has paid a total dividend of 97 cents per share in the last 12 months. At the current share price of 27 euros, this translates into a dividend yield of 3.5%. I was lucky enough to get into the stock when it had fallen sharply. Currently, the price is within the usual price corridor. As you can see from the screenshot, I managed to buy the stock at a comparatively low price. However, at the beginning of my investment, I was still new to this sector and did not dare to take high risks. Although Shell is an oil and gas company, they invest heavily in renewable energy, which I think is a promising long-term business. There are several indications that the share price may fall again. For one, sanctions have been imposed on the Russian Federation, making it difficult to import oil from that country. For another, Arab countries known for their rich oil reserves are signing long-term contracts with China. Increased energy prices have already caused many strong industrial companies to leave Europe, which may lead to lower demand. These are just my thoughts. In general, I have a positive attitude. I still think the stock is promising and continue to follow it closely. If the opportunity arises, I will definitely buy more shares. What do you think? Write me your opinion in the comments. Until the next video, ciao.